TJ and I are going to be doing a tail bandage demonstration. He is in a lateral recumbency position, and if I had an assistant, they would be holding him down nice and secure, and he's good. And today we are going to be bandaging the obvious wound that he has on his tail. So our materials we have is gauze wrap, cotton padding, a gauze pad, antibacterial, and medical tape. So first we are going to spray the wound with our antibacterial. Next we are going to take the cotton pad and place it onto him, wrapping it with medical tape so that it's nice and secure. And then we're going to take the cotton and place it over the wounded area. And then we are going to take our tape, our medical tape, and do 2 parallel pieces of the wound. There's one, and here is a second one. Now that he is nice and wrapped with his tape, we're gonna put some more tape over the 2 parallel lines, and we're going to start at the top of the tail and wrap our way down. And we're even going to tuck some of his tail hair in there and tape his tail hair so that the bandage is nice and secure. Oh shoot. Our next patient we have is Garfield.
Ellie, you actually need medical help. Let's go. Come on,
Look at her with her hurt paw.
Ellie.
We have to do a Velpeau sling on her because she is so hurt.
Ellie.
Now we will be doing a Velpeau sling on our dog Ellie. I have her in a standing recumbency position. You see how her head, she can't move her head, and she is securely located and she is standing. So if I had an assistant, once again, they would be holding her while I did this. But our materials are going to be non-weight bearing bandages, some gauze, some cotton padding, and medical tape. We will take her hurt paw and bend at the wrist and at the elbow, and we will put our padding gauze on it, and then we will put our actual gauze over it, wrap it around, and then we will apply our medical tape to secure it, and then continue with the cotton padding, gauze, and then wrap it around her big thorax, her chest, and then make sure her toes are out of the gauze, and apply some more medical tape. And there she goes. See, now she is all better.